iJustine unboxes the new HP OmniBook X Flip, a Copilot Plus PC built for work and play.
This is a Copilot Plus PC, which means it's powered by next-gen AI.
She highlights its 3K OLED edge-to-edge display, which is, as she notes, massive. iJustine points out the laptop is powered by an Intel Core Ultra processor with up to 32 gigabytes of RAM.
Some serious power. It's got an Intel Core Ultra processor with up to 32 gigs of RAM.
She loves the versatility of the 360-degree hinge, using it as a laptop, a tablet, and intent mode for gaming. As a self-proclaimed huge Mac user, iJustine finds the performance of the PC super smooth.
Intel Arc graphics kept things really smooth and responsive.
She concludes that the HP OmniBook X Flip is the perfect all-in-one device.
It's flat.
Well, that's around 3 minutes saved. See you next time.